Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to turn on or enable always on display on this device. Simply go to settings. Now scroll down. So here you can see the option display and brightness. Select this one. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option always on display. Now always on display is on. If you tap on this one, just turn on this option. So here after turn on this one, you can customize the always on display. If you want to view the wallpaper, the lock screen wallpaper, then you can turn on this one. If you want to blur the wallpaper photo, then you have to turn on. If you want to show the notifications, then you can turn on this one. So let me show you. Now this is the always on display. So if you want to disable this one, and I am going to disable this one also. Now again I will show you. Now you can see the wallpaper is not there, it's disabled. So you can customize this one also. So simply in this way we can turn on the always on display on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.